Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log into your Paycom employee account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type paycom.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the home page of Paycom. Now if you look closely at the navbar, you will find different tabs such as Home, Solutions, Who We Help, but almost at the very end you will find this login button. Just hover over it and a pop-up will open stating a client login, employee login or an accountant login. Since we want to log in as an employee, let's click on this employee button right now. Now it will redirect us to the employee self-service page. So you simply need to enter your username and password. And finally, you need to enter the last 4 digits of your SSN or PIN number. And after everything is okay, simply hit on this login button right now. But in case you forgot your username or password, here are the buttons of forgot username or password. Click on them and follow the prompts. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we log in as an employee in Paycom. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.